Hey there, this is my August goodies box. Can't quite remember which taster's box I got, but it's just a slight difference in the flavors that you get. So, okay, so the drink this time is a mango blackcurrant. Oh, helps protect and preserve vision. I guess it's called Ojo fortified eye care nectar. Interesting. I don't really like mango flavored stuff, but then the blackcurrant could help offset that, so I'll give it a try. Okay, then we have Tangy Zangy Twisties. Made with real fruit juice. They are sour wild fruit. Oh, these look like cute little sour candies. Definitely gonna gobble those right up. Then we have Poplets, sea salt and butter flavored toasted corn centers. Oh. These are a fun, kind of crunchy snack. Might be a good replacement for chips. Then there is Snyder's eatsmart Naturals Garden Veggie Crisps in potato, tomato, and spinach. Oh, you know, this reminds me of those veggie straws, which I was addicted to for a while, because they had, you know, potato, tomato, and spinach flavor as well. So hopefully it tastes something like that, because I really enjoyed that. Okay, then here we have One and Only Cookie Cracker by Orion. Oh, cute. Definitely curious to see what that is, and I guess it's salty and sweet. Okay, and then here is Pronto Hawaiian Hazelnut. Oh, it's a coffee, liquid coffee brew stick. Focus there. And then here it says Barney's Coffee Kitchen, I guess is the brand. It's not focusing. Come on. Okay, well, anyways, that's what it is. I don't drink coffee, so this will have to go to somebody else to try. My future brother-in-law, he loves coffee, so he could probably give me a good review. Alright, thanks for watching.